Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to open this HP laptop in terms of pulling it apart, just showing you how to actually find all the screws. So as you can see visible, we have 1 2 3 4 5. So these are 5 screws. So I would have already removed them. Now once you remove these 5 screws, some persons will actually try to get the back cover off. Now I must tell you that we actually have 3 hidden screws. Now at the top there you actually have a rubber strip, so just simple remove it, peel it off the back. And once you do that, then you realize that we actually see an additional 3 screws. So again guys, you have to ensure that you remove these 3 screws because these actually help to secure the back to the laptop itself. Right, so once you go ahead and remove all the screws, the next thing is to get the back cover off. So here you go guys, use flat pine screwdriver and get down in this section here, flip it. You will actually hear it making a popping sound. So just simple slowly go along the edge and then just simple, or you can turn it on the back itself or like that. And here you go guys, so successfully remove the back cover there. So now you can basically do just about any repair you'd have planned to do to this laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.